Joy here. So today's video is a little bit different because for the weekend I am actually traveling out of town, and today I wanted to give you guys a little tour of the hotel that I'm staying. I was surprised because this hotel was super affordable, and it's located like about 20 minutes and plus like 9 minutes of walking from the beach that I really love and love to go in Busan. So I am in Busan at the moment and I've already gone to the beach, and there's probably some sand and salt water in my hair right now, and I'm literally just put on this jacket on top of my swimming suit. So for today's video I wanted to show you guys basically what I did all day today. Checking out the Gwangali Beach, which is my favorite beach in Busan so far. But I've only been to Haeundae, which is also very great, another well-known beach. But I love Gwangali because there are so many cute little shops by the beach, and the beach is super swimmable, not too deep, and just really gorgeous, quaint little area that I just absolutely love. And I've been wanting to go to the beach forever, and I figure now that I'm on a break from work, why not take this opportunity and make the most out of it and make a very wonderful, memorable summer. So that's what this video is going to be today. And I thought to continue along the minimalist theme, I wanted to show you guys what I packed for the weekend as far as like clothing and every item goes. And I can't wait to show you guys how everything is. So I'll catch you guys in a minute after I show you all the tour and all the videos that I filmed today. And I'm going to take a nap and hopefully go for delicious dinner. I might film the dinner as well. I think I will, yeah, and then share it with you guys. So catch you guys later. Bye! Hi guys, so I put everything that I have at the moment for this weekend trip, which is Saturday overnight at a hotel in Busan, and I'm going to be leaving Busan in the evening on Sunday. So this is essentially everything that I have right now that I brought with me, and some I bought. But first things first, since I cannot put it on the bed, here are my sandals. I love these sandals, they're so simple, they go with everything. And here's my backpack, just to show you there's literally nothing in this backpack because I took everything out, but I just brought one backpack and I packed it very light. So there's that. And then speaking of backpack, let's go to my pouch where I kept all the miscellaneous items including makeup. But right now it's empty, and you can see there's my charger, and obviously I'm holding my phone and my phone case, which is a clear case. And I got a couple of cards. I got my ID card in case someone wants to ID me when I drink, but they don't really do that anymore. But yeah, there's my credit card and debit card, and then some other card that I forgot to take out. But it is what it is. I packed very quickly. So there's that, and some notebook, and then pen and whiteout just in case I want to study. Yes, sometimes studying on a holiday can feel good. Here's some shirt that I borrowed. That I wore earlier today at the beach. There's my very light shirt, and there's my shorts, and these are kind of like workout shorts, so I wore it at the beach today. And then here's my swimsuit, I need to wash those, and then some Starbucks napkins that I picked up earlier. And instead of using a hair tie, I got this new clip, and it's really easy to just pull up my hair, but it's not very easy to nap in it, so I don't know how much I love that I cannot nap in this hair clip. But yeah, there's that, and there's one pair of underwear, which is very light, so I could technically hand wash it. There's an umbrella because it's been raining. There's a jacket just in case I get cold. There's a mini skirt. I'm gonna wear that and then put on that shirt when I go out tonight. Maybe I'll buy even a sundress. I don't know. I'm not sure. There's some nose strip packs that I bought today from Olive Young, which is kind of like CVS of Korea. Here's my mask. I think I need to get a new one. And here's my toothpaste and toothbrush that I bought today. I assume the hotels will give me some toothbrush and toothpaste, which they did, but it was a very small toothpaste and I need a portable one. I ran out of the one that I already have anyway, so there's that. And some post-it notes that I put on my itinerary, some cash. I'm gonna put that on T-Money, which is like a public transport card. Here's another like device for Korean banking. You need to generate numbers. Here's a shell I picked up from the beach. I think I'm gonna gift it tomorrow. Yeah, and here's all the makeup items that I've already shown to you guys in my minimalist makeup video, the most recent video I posted before this one. And here's some hand cream for my hand because it's still messed up from all the salon work, so I need like a prescription drug basically for that. And here's the lotion for myself, and then sunscreen. I was a little bit arrogant and didn't put any on my legs today. I was like, oh, you know, I'm just gonna tan, and I think I burned myself a little bit because it hurt a little when I just showered just now. But anyway, there's the deodorant, and there are my iPhone earphones, and this is like my regular earphones for my laptop. I didn't bring my laptop, but I usually keep all the miscellaneous items in my pouch, so I forgot to take it out. And there's my mom's business card, which is something that I also forgot to take out. And yeah, guys, that's basically everything I packed for 2 days worth of excursion. Now, is it enough? Absolutely, because a lot of them, as you see, are very quick to dry. They're hand washable. I think that's key when you want clothing items that are easy for traveling. You want items that will dry quickly. And I'm going to be a beach bum anyway, so honestly, like bikini, I was wearing this bikini since this morning, so it was basically functioning as my underwear slash beach outfit when I was at the beach. And since the beach is only about like 20-30 minutes from where I'm staying right now, it's going to be really easy for me to just come to the hotel and then dry off and then change into my new clothing and then hand wash them if necessary. So yeah, so that's my minimalist packing for this weekend. I hope you guys liked it, and I'll give you more tour in a minute. Bye. Before I gave you guys a room tour of the hotel that I'm staying in, I just wanted to show you guys how the hotel looks like from the outside. So this hotel is right outside, very close to exit 11 of Centum City Station in Busan. And this is kind of like the general area, which looks pretty fancy. And here's the courtyard to the entrance of the hotel. What I thought was really cool is that if you pan up, which I will in a minute, you can kind of see this closed off area that makes the courtyard kind of look like it has its own, I don't know, skylight from the buildings. Here's a lobby, which is pretty fancy. And now it's time for a room tour. Hey guys, so I'm about to show you guys a tour of the hotel that I checked in. It's pretty small but clean, and it's very close to the beach that I wanted to go in Busan. So I'll show you guys a tour of the bathroom first. I love how huge the bathroom is compared to the room. Yeah, I don't know, something about big bathrooms that make things seem more luxurious. I love this makeup lights here. Hi guys, still wearing the swimsuit outfit and this shirt that I borrowed. So let's go back to the room. It's quite cozy and quite small too. I got the city view, and this place was not expensive at all, but everything looks really clean, and that's like a very big plus for me, because I don't like it when a room is big or whatever but still looks old and crummy. So I love how clean and new everything looks. And I got the city. but I still thought it was kind of pretty. I naturally love rainy weather anyway. I'm kind of a pluviophile, but I did bring my swimsuit, so I was hoping it would get sunny, and thankfully it did get sunny pretty soon. As you can see, I'm getting happier and happier because it is getting sunnier and sunnier. And there I am, like a iguana, enjoying my beach time when the weather is getting warm and wonderful. As I mentioned earlier, there are so many cute little shops right by the Gwangali Beach, and I just want to capture that and show you guys how it's literally right next to the beach, right along the beach. And yeah, later in the afternoon, it was just wonderful, super sunny, and very, very gorgeous, and I had a great time. Here's a panoramic view of the entire Gwangali Beach from as far as I can see. You can see people playing water sports. I would love to get on one of those jet skis and water sports toys in the near future. But anyway, yeah, just giving you a sense of this cute little beach. I loved it many years ago, and I still love it now, and I hope it only gets better from now. Hi guys, so instead of recording my dinner, which was kind of mediocre good at best, I decided to film the nightscape of Guangali, which is a whole other animal. I mean, it's just so beautiful and so sparkly. I'm going to show you 360 almost panoramic view of Gwangali Beach at night. Everybody sort of flocked there because it is the Saturday weekend, and it is just stunning, as you can see. Hi guys, so that was my weekend tour of Busan. I hope you guys liked that video. If you liked it, please like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys later. Thank you so much. Bye!